Hello guys, so this is my 2000 CBR 600F4 and my front wheel is off and the fender is here. So these are my old rotors which were there on my bike. So they got too thin, or I don't know why, but they warped. So I was having slight sort of vibration was breaking, so I had to replace them. So I got the new ones installed, but while installing, one of this head broke off. So I ordered these. The original part numbers were pretty difficult to find, so I found whatever was similar, same size, 6x17. So this matched, and it is for modern bikes. Many modern bikes use this, like the Goldwing CBR 1000RR and all this. So I ordered about 12 bolts, 6 on each side, 6 holes. So I ordered 12 and a fork. This is the front fork axle bolt, because we keep opening and closing it, so I thought might as well just replace that with a new one. So you can see the part numbers for this is this, and I got this in India. And for the front axle bolt, it is this 7,000. Pretty cheap, 280 rupees. If I would import these, it will be double or triple the cost. Each is 75 rupees. So on my service manual from Hayes, I found this. So the front brake disc bolt, quantity 12, size thread diameter is 6, correct? It is, the torque is 20 Newton meters or 2 kg feet per meter and so on. So 20 Newton meters is what we should tighten these for. And to know which rotor goes on which side of the wheel, you can look for marks like this, so you know the direction, and you can compare it to the wheel or the tire, of course.